Morning, everyone. Look at that time lapse. I'm going to let you into a little secret. That's just the sunset time lapse from yesterday. In reverse. Anyway, we had breakfast downstairs at the headland, and it was amazing. Like that was Laura's eggs and bacon and something. I had the best scrambled eggs I'd ever eaten. We didn't do this yesterday, but this is a sort of a bit of a tour, but not really, of the lower level of the headland, and this is the spa area as well, which I went to for a massage, a full-on massage. Anyway, it was lovely in the spa. I'm about to get a full body massage for an hour. I've got to get naked. All right. It's just sand everywhere. It's so breezy. Anyway, alright. I had my massage and it was amazing. I feel all flexible now. Yeah, look, that's the hotel. Which is... What else can we say?
I don't know, we're going to go for a bit of a walk.
We're going for a walk, yeah. In the sand and the snow. Snow? It's very breezy. Forgive the TikTok style portrait video, but a bird has just shat on my t-shirt. Don't know whether you can see it. Right there. Poo. Actual poo. Like a shitty Superman. Cool. Look, Ford Forester. Yeah. Never seen one before in real life. Wait, I said Forester, it's an Everest, what a twat. That's something to do with woodland. Look. Well, here we are leaving the Headland Hotel. It was amazing, very costly which is one of the reasons why we probably won't be able to go back there. But it was just lovely. You get what you pay for in this world, and it was worth every penny. It really was. Anyway, we are now on our way through the countryside. It's a bit of a miserable day actually today, but we're driving through the countryside. I think Laura's actually driving at this point, and we're on our way to a place called Poundbury, which was designed, not financed, but designed by the then Prince of Wales, Prince Charles, now King. It was designed by him. The whole concept was his, to have this kind of older style housing estate. Right, that's got to be a joke. That can't be a real speed camera. Or if it is, it was one of the first ones. Look at the size of it. It looks like, do you remember those cameras back in the day where you'd have the man that says, "Watch the birdie," and he's holding like a flash in one hand, the camera in another, and he's got some sort of like blanket over his little head. It looked like that. Well, back to my story, see? Where was I? I was talking about King Charles's Poundbury. We got the idea of coming here, like they don't advertise it anywhere. Not that I know of anyway. We heard of it from a TV show called The Windsors. And we didn't think it was a real place, and then we found out it actually was. Anyway, it's definitely weird. It's definitely unusual. You don't see things like this every day. But we just had to come.
Exit the roundabout onto Bridport Road.
Welcome to Dorchester.
In 100 yards, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Peveril Avenue West.
I am Poundbury. Just look at it. What the actual... Oh look, there's a lady walking her dog.
Your destination will be on the left.
Sorry, not dog. Whoops. Sorry, love. Poundbury. No construction delivery traffic. What? It's ever so grand. Welcome to Poundbury. They got trees, they're windy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Poundbury. And then our hotel is just up here in the courtyard of the Queen Mother. Hello, my name is Archibald. Come along, Kia. Well, I didn't think they'd allow Kias in Poundbury. Can I park outside the Dorchester? The Duke of Wellington, the Duke of Chutney. Oh, blimey, where do we...
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, I should park here. I should park outside. Looks as though there's a space right there. So this is the 4th floor. Bedroom number 20. And it is just... like really pretty. Not just because my wife's in it, of course. But it's got... well, I don't even know. What is that? It's a pig.
Yeah.
Can we keep it?
I don't think we can, but I kind of hope we do.
It's got a bed. It's got little bedside bits with water on. It's got all of that stuff. Has a wardrobe from 1910. It's got artwork. I mean, it's got my car just right there. There's someone talking about us. Why has it got CCTV?
They've got Classic FM on the...
Oh, they've got Classic FM on the wireless. Hello and welcome to Classic FM. Okay, all right. Anyway, so you got this for tea and coffee with, oh my goodness, like fancy things. Oh, it's just lovely, isn't it?
It's really nice.
It's really nice, and there's a little seating area for me and my wife.
The seat's really comfortable. It's a lovely size.
So what are we looking out on then? Is it just looking out onto Poundbury? We're looking out onto the Queen Mother's Square, which means the Queen Mother should be there somewhere. Not her really, but her statuette. That's lovely. How pretty is that? We can open the window, we can turn on the aircon. We've got Poundbury right there. Hello and welcome to Poundbury. Your home away from home. I shall keep you pure. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, so the lift is broken. So we had to walk up, and he said 4 floors, but they were like half floors. So it was like 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4.
In the bathroom.
Oh yeah, I'll show you the bathroom. Anyway, so look, Narnia. Look. Hello, Mr. Tumnus. Oh, for God's sake, Tumnus. And who was the other little fella? Mr. Tumnus and what? Aslan. He's on the move. Look, there's a... I do like them, actually. I do like an old case. Anywho. Oh, yeah, the bathroom. What's all this? Step in time. Welcome to the Duchess of Cornwall. Things. They got brunch. Anyway, yeah. Huh?
It is a Poundbury map and directory.
Oh, hell to the yeah. I just like the bathroom, the bedroom area. I think it's just all ever so quaint. I look forward to sleeping. And it's a proper sized bed as well. None of this horse stuff. Yeah, bathroom. So it's not, I say bathroom, it's shower room. It's not huge, to be fair. There's a sink. There's this sort of nice tiled wickedness. There's a sink, a mirror for looking at my bits, a loo and a shower with a monsoon and also a proper little handheld thing. And I have no idea what's behind the door. Oh, it's somewhere for the case to go. What? Clever girl. Oh God, I just thought we got to get the cases up them many stairs.
Yeah.
Darling, was the door open?
That was you. It didn't close properly.
Oh, I thought Aslan might have come out to have a little go on us. Anyway, yeah, Wick. So I'm sat down in the Duchy. No, not the Duchy of Cornwall, it's the Duchess of Cornwall. The Duchess of Cornwall. Right, so we've got to go down like 4 3/2 floors
Yeah.
to get our cases to bring them up, because the loft is busted. Never mind.
Or the lift.
Did I say loft? It's been a long day. We actually came from Headland Hotel to here, and it took us just over 2 hours. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with the speed limits, but they all seem to be in our favour, didn't they? Poundbury is just, it looks like we're in the centre of London, but it's this kind of new housing estate. It's really weird, isn't it? That is so strange. And your hair is strange too. In the wind. Everyone's really friendly. Like, look at this in here. I bet this is echoey. I'm going in. Hello, hello. No, it's not that echoey, sadly. It's just that over there. Queen Mother Square and Royal Pavilion, completed 2018. Wow.
Unveiled in June.
Oh, it actually says King Charles. Oh, what, this year?
Yeah.
Like just now?
Yeah. Literally.
Oh yeah, King Charles III and Queen Camilla. Wow. And just look over there, doesn't that, hold on, let's zoom in. Doesn't that there look like something from Mary Poppins?
Yeah.
I mean, apart from the clapped out old beam of white 1 series. It does look Mary Poppins-y.
Votes for women.
Yeah, step in time. I kind of want to live here. I mean, basically, we can't. I want to live here, but I also want to live in Cornwall. Like, I want to live in Beer. That's where I want to live. I'd like to live here. Waitrose of Poundbury. And this is where we're going to have our breakfast tomorrow. Good Lord, how fancy. And then we're going to, so you can walk down these stairs. Well, hiya. What? Oh yeah. Nightlife in Poundbury is limited, to say the least, but there is a very, very nice restaurant at the bottom of the hotel that was really quirky. It was clearly an old brewery, so you've got the old brewing brewing coppers as a front door. The meals were amazing. So this was a starter. It was a Scotch egg, freshly made. That was some sort of Laura thing. I don't really care what it was. Oh, there we are. Look, we're there. Laura had, I think that's a fish pie or fish cake. And I had a triple burger with onion rings, ovs. And there was some coffee going on, and I actually had some sort of lemony loveliness, and it was delish. Anyway, we're back up to the bedroom now. Again, there wasn't really much to do. Like, everything kind of shuts. Obviously, it shuts at night, but there's certainly not like a nightlife. You've got Dorchester, the village of Dorchester nearby. Village? Town? Yeah. But it was nice and relaxing on an otherwise busy holiday. A little bit of bonus material here from our breakfast in the morning. Morning. Breakfast. Many juices.